Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Hi guys, and welcome to another Fool of the Week. So this week's Fool is Matt Hancock, the Health Secretary, and he has a strange idea about how he can convince people to stay at home and self-isolate. So let's hear what he had to say.
Well, it's critical that people who test positive from coronavirus or are their close contacts and are contacted by NHS Test and Trace, it's critical that they self-isolate. And one of the pieces of feedback we had is that especially for people on lower incomes, they need more financial support to be able to self-isolate. So we'll be paying people to stay at home if they have coronavirus, have had the positive test, or are the close contacts, in order to stop the spread of the virus further. We know from the scientists that we need to get about 80% of the contacts of people who've tested positive to self-isolate. And we're currently at just over 75%, so we need to do more. And one of the pieces of feedback that we've got from the people we talk to is those, especially on low incomes, saying, but I need extra support in order to be able to self-isolate. So we're bringing in this extra support and bringing it in a targeted way in parts of the Northwest where the problem is the most severe, to understand how we can roll it out and make sure people get that support. This is in addition to any other benefits that somebody on low income might get, like universal credit, and it's at the level of statutory sick pay, but we'll monitor all of these issues, how well it's implemented, and all of these questions, and consider the next steps and whether we roll it out further. What really matters is that the combination of NHS Test and Trace and the local lockdowns is working to get the number of cases coming down in the most affected parts of the country.
Okay, so why is he a fool? Well, he's a fool if he thinks that £13 a day is enough to keep people from going into work when they are low paid and they need to go to work. Universal credit isn't enough for most people. A lot of people have to work as well. And asking them, look, we don't want you to go to work, we want you to stay at home, and the people respond by saying, well, how are you going to compensate me for that? We're going to give you £13. £13 an hour? No, £13 a day. And that's going to keep you at home. People have bills to pay. People have food to buy. People have families to support. £13 a day is not going to cut it. Matt, would you self-isolate for £13 a day? Would any member of your government do that? Would any member of your party sacrifice themselves and self-isolate for £13 a day? I don't think so. So once again, you're asking the public to do something that you're not willing to consider yourself. And that makes him the Fool of the Week. I want to say a big thank you to all of my patrons. You ensure that this channel continues to exist. I'm eternally grateful for all of your support. If you join Patreon, you will receive instant access to our Discord server, where we have both audio and video chats. You can chat with me and other patrons, where we discuss important and non-important issues. Becoming a patron per month costs about the same as a large coffee, so why not check it out?